Hello everyone, welcome to Jurisprudence Academy. This is the fifth part of the cutoff series video where we're going to discuss NLSIU Bangalore. In the past 4 videos, we have discussed about the 4 universities, NLSIU Bhopal, NALSA, NUJS Kolkata and NLU Jodhpur. And if you haven't watched those videos, kindly go and watch those videos. The video links are given below in the description. In this video, before getting started with NLSIU Bangalore, I need to tell you, we are providing subjective part answer guide to each and every student, and that's why we have organized CLAT PG essay answer writing competition. And if you want to participate and get your answer evaluated, for that kindly go to the link. All the details are there. So let's start with NLSIU Bangalore. NLSIU Bangalore is the best law college in India where you can pursue your undergraduate and postgraduate in law, and this law school has established with a view to cater to the requirements of the legal profession, law teaching, research and judiciary. And if you want to know more about this university, kindly visit www.nlist.ac.in. Now, what are the streams available if you want to pursue your LLM here? 2 streams are available for you if you want to pursue your LLM, and that is business law and human rights law. And other than these 2 streams, there are 2 compulsory subjects that you need to pursue along with it, and that is research methodology, and the second is legal system and democratic governance and global justice. This program of LLM is of 1-year program and it is divided into twice semester. But if you want to pursue your LLM here, how much fees do you need to pay? And the fees for NLSIU Bangalore is 1,26,200 rupees that you need to pay to pursue your LLM here. Now, what are the vacancies available in NLSIU Bangalore? There are 50 vacancies in total available here, and out of these 50 vacancies, 35 vacancies are for business law persons and 15 vacancies are for human rights law. Total in aggregate 50 vacancies are available. Now, the most important part of the video, that is cutoff. And as you people know, cutoff is divided into 3 parts, that is cutoff of 2017, cutoff of 2018 and cutoff of 2019, that is expected cutoff. So let's start with 2017 cutoff. 2017 cutoff was 108.75, that was based on first indicative list. Fourth indicative list cutoff was 97.5, and CLAT PG 2018 cutoff was 86.5 to 88, that was based on student information. So if you know the exact cutoff, kindly mention below in the comment box. We would love to hear from you. So let's see what is the expected cutoff of CLAT PG 2019. And before that, I need to tell you, as you people know, we expected this cutoff based on pattern, syllabus and previous year's cutoff and list that we have assembled throughout the years. So let's see what is the expected cutoff, and that is 101 to 103. That would be the expected cutoff for CLAT PG 2019. That is the information that we wanted to give you regarding NLSIU Bangalore, and we have completed our NLSIU Bangalore and also the cutoff series videos. So in the next part, let's see, we will start with something new. And as you people know that CLAT PG preparation builder program is going on. If you haven't signed up for it, kindly go and sign up for it. It's free of cost. And also, if you haven't got the decoding the jurisprudence book, kindly go get it. It is an objective book on jurisprudence. And also CLAT PG mock book is here, 20 hardcore mock tests according to the new CLAT PG pattern, 100 plus 50. And also recent judgment capsule module. If you want that, the links are given below, everything that you can go and get the details. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel to stay updated regarding CLAT LLM, UGC NET, SET and judiciary. Until next time, thank you. See you soon.